In this question, you're given 2 points 7,6 and 3,4, and you're asked to find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points P and Q. So if you draw the diagram looks something like this. So you have the point 7, 6, let this be the point 7, 6, and Q is 3, 4. You're asked to find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. That is, you might be asked to find a point something like this, such that this distance is exactly equal to this distance. So what are the coordinates of this point? So let us say that this point be represented by A, and let the coordinates of this point be x, 0. So why did I take this point as x, 0? Because it is given that the point lies on x-axis, and on x-axis the y coordinate of the point is 0. So let us assume that the required point be point A, x, 0. So let the required point be A, x, 0. Now according to the condition, AP has to be equal to AQ. Hence AP square has to be equal to AQ square. This implies, what is the formula for AP square? X minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square has to be equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. This implies x square minus 14x plus 49 plus minus 6 whole square is 36 is equal to, here also if you expand this, you get x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 16. So this x square and this x square are getting cancelled. So if this minus 14x goes onto that side, it becomes plus 14x, 14x minus 6x. On this side you have 8x. So if this minus 14x goes onto this side, effectively you have 8x on this side. And 49 plus 36 minus 9 minus 16. It is, so 49 minus 9 is 40, 36 minus 16 is 20. So 40 plus 20 is 60. This implies x is nothing but 60 by 8. It is 15 by 2. So the required point is 15 by 2, 0. That is 7.5, 0. So that is the point which is equidistant from P and Q, which lies on x-axis. Thank you.